Well, haven't made a video for a while. Been doing a lot of cleanup here. Had a lot of trees, 7 or 8 come down. Well, it ended up coming down. The one in front of us with the wood in front of it used to have the snowmobile on it. Gone now. We got some wood over here. Just cut all that up yesterday. Used my new chainsaw, 32-inch steel. Thing rips through wood. But got all that bucked up. Gonna take the tree down that Randy cut. The one that started all that Randy cut. Dropped into this tree, which had the snowmobile in it. Took out about 4 other trees in this area because of that. And then that tree. It used to be a tree, which is over there now. Thanks, Randy. And then I cleaned up like 2 dozen logs over here where my Jeep's parked. And got all them cleared out and drug out down the road over into the meadow. And then a week later, a bobcat put about 12 more logs right there. Well, I moved them today. They're all gone. I can park there again. They're all over there in the meadow where I put mine, where I drug mine with my Jeep. Anyway, don't want to be sour about it, but at least they're gone now. And I don't need all the carpenter ants and dead wood right in front of my place. So whoever did that, thanks. Anyway, it's cleaned up now. Not gonna go there. I was able to move them. Still got a few more to move though. That really long one right there. I'm going to cut that in half and drag that out of there too. I got my cables hooked up to the back of the Jeep and found out I can drag this stuff with my Jeep. All I got to do is cut that one in half. And that one's going over in the meadow too. Got enough dead wood in front of our house already. Anyway, just cleaning up our neighborhood. And I got a new saw out of it. You know, I got a big giant saw. And it was fun cutting this big wood. Stihl MS 500i, fuel injected.